Hi, I'm Arvind Bali. I'm the CEO for Telecom Sector Skill Council. We are very happy to participate in IMC 2023. This time, we are participating in a very, very big way. We have got 150 square meter booth, and we are displaying 12 different technologies. We are displaying 5G Live Lab. We are also displaying 5G Sandbox Virtual Lab. We have got drone technology, we have got cyber security, we have got IoT, we have got fiber repairing, handset repairing. So that way, like we have got plus, 4, 5 digital courses from DADB, from Cisco, multiple companies. We have got live courses which we are trying to reach out to youth of this country. Over and above that, there are two very big initiatives which PSSC has taken. So one is skilling on wheel. So telecom skilling on wheel is a very big initiative, which is very useful for hilly rural areas because their villages are small and very difficult to set up centers over there, and it's very difficult to really take all equipment over there. So we have got different categories of vans, and in those vans, we try to fix up things. We try to take the equipment, and there is a LED screen on which courses are displayed. And also, we have got Gramin Udyami as a new program which we have launched. Yesterday, Minister was here on our stall, and he was really very impressed. He liked it, and we are very proud that he came to our stall and like he was very happy with our work on skilling. Thank you.
What we are really looking at is the availability of high-speed broadband for all in India, and that's going to happen through the ambitious project of Government of India, which is the BharatNet Phase 3, and which is going to be rolled out quickly. And I think once that becomes available, there's going to be transformative uses of technologies, and it will become internet accessible to everybody. And how Lepton is gearing up is that we are now providing solutions, which are the fiber-based planning tools and inventory solutions, which will help in rolling out and the planning of the BharatNet project. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Girija Vedi. I'm Senior Vice President, Vividian Technologies. Vividian is India's largest engineering and electronics product manufacturing company. Today, I'm here to talk about the top technology trends that's going to transform India in the upcoming years. Since we are at IMC 2023, I'll begin with the telecom industry. So one area which telecom sector would witness is the adoption of the enterprise private 5G sector. This is one area where the world saw the challenge of having one supplier which could provide the complete end-to-end solution. And VVDN has solved that problem by introducing a complete kit with the indigenously designed radio units integrated with our partner CUDU as well as the core. So definitely this is one area which will proliferate in the upcoming years. Moving from the private 5G enterprise area to the home broadband segment. The telcos today are facing a lot of challenges in deploying the fiber across pan India. So the solution to this problem is the introduction of fixed wireless access, which is FWA technology. VVDN is already ahead in the game, and it has already designed a complete FWA CPE solution, which is done completely in India and is being manufactured as well as at our premises. Moving from telecom segment, I would like to talk about the power infrastructure. India is definitely going smarter day by day, and metering is one area which we cannot avoid. So we are introducing and manufacturing smart meters for the country already. Since we are talking about electricity today, the automotive sector cannot escape the electrification. We all are seeing that OEs are introducing a lot of EV vehicles of our EV variants of our favorite cars. So VVDN is already helping OEs and tier 1 suppliers in the EV charging infrastructure. We are introducing residential AC EV chargers as well as the complete commercial EV charger segment. Another area in the automotive sector, which is going all tech savvy for our young generation, is the introduction of a lot of sensors and electronics in all our car variants. So going forward, all the car variants will be having a lot of technology gadgets such as digital cockpit, surround view cameras, around view cameras. And this is the area where VVDN is cutting across the competition and solving the challenge of introducing these technology in the cars. Hence, we are working with a lot of OEs and tier one suppliers in this segment. These are the 5 areas which I would see would unravel, and would see a complete transformation in the upcoming years in India. Thank you.
मेरा नाम तेजस जानी है। मैं लीवर सॉफ्टवेयर का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ और कंपनी हमारी 10 साल से इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही है। पर्टिकुलरली हम लोग 2 वर्टिकल में काम कर रहे हैं, सीपास कम्युनिकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म एंड आईटी कंसल्टिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट्स। तो 10 साल के बाद हम लोग काफ़ी सेक्टर को कवर कर लिए हैं और काफ़ी सेक्टर को हम लोग नए नए इनोवेशंस की तरफ लेके आगे गए और आने वाले दिनों में ग्लोबली हम लोग काफ़ी नई टेक्नोलॉजी जैसे कि आपका रोबोटिक है, मशीन लर्निंग्स है और इमोशंस है, 3Ds है, 5Ds है, उन टेक्नोलॉजी को मार्केट में प्रेजेंट करें। उन आने वाले दिनों में वुमन बीइंग से सबसे ज़्यादा इन टेक्नोलॉजी की कैसे बेनिफिट हो रहा है और गुड गवर्नर्स और कॉरपोरेट्स को कैसे बेनिफिट होने वाला है, उन सब चीज़ों के केस स्टडीज़ वगैरह हम लोग पब्लिक डोमेन में भी रखे हैं। और IMC को हम पिछले 2 साल से IMC में हम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। इस बार हम सेशन पार्टनर्स भी है और आने वाले नेक्स्ट ईयर में हम लोग और कुछ IMC में नया हमारा प्रोडक्ट प्रेजेंट करेंगे। इस साल हमने एड इंजन एज ए प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है IMC के अंदर और इसके ज़रिए हम लोग ग्लोबल कंपनीज जो इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में एड इंजन के रूप में काम कर रही है और उसके में जो इंडियन कंपनीज को लॉसेस हो रहा है उसको कैसे रिकवर और कैसे इंडियन कंपनीज इंडियन का खुद का एड इंजन के अंदर काम करे और अपना प्रोडक्ट का बेनिफिट है, मार्केटिंग से लेके स्ट्रेटेजिक सब इजीली इन सब चीज़ों के ऊपर कैसे आगे बढ़े, इसके लिए हम लोगों ने ये प्लेटफॉर्म लॉन्च किया है। और दूसरा IMC का मेरा जो 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है उसमें हर साल नए स्टार्टअप्स, नई कंपनीज आती है और हर एक मैं तो ये बोलूँगा हर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर और एक छोटी कंपनी हो या बड़ी कंपनी, हर एक के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है। और जो लोग IMC के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे वो एक अपना बिजनेस लॉस ही कर रहे हैं एक तरीके से। तो यहाँ एक बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है और लोगों को इनके साथ जुड़ना भी चाहिए।
We organized India Telecom 2023 alongside India Mobile Congress, wherein 40 foreign delegates from 16 countries across the globe have participated in the event. The event was inaugurated by Dr. Neeraj Mittal, Chairman DCC, and Secretary Telecom, Department of Telecom. The event was attended by Mr. P. Balaji, Vice Chairman TPC, and Professor N.K. Goyal, Chairman Emeritus PIMA. We also organized Atmanirbhar Bharat Pavilion under India Telecom and IMC, wherein 170 companies, including 100 startups, participated in the event. The feedback received from the companies is very good. The visitors who visited their pavilion, the response was very good and encouraging.
Hello, my name is Madhukar Tripathi. I am working as the Associate Director for NSU India Private Limited. Today here we are talking about the industrial development from the technology point of view. We have already seen the 5G rollout in India in a very fastest way, and now we are also working on the 6G development in India. And India is a very growing market for everybody. Today we see India as a production hub, and lot of companies have already announced their investment, and the government is also pushing for a lot of technologies to be developed in India. Make in India, PLI, DLI, all those schemes are helping industry to make this as a growing company and industry for everybody. Apart from this, data center market is also increasing, and growing at a very faster rate in India. Here in IMC, we are displaying our test and measurement solution for 4G, 5G, and of course 6G. And our different equipments are used in R&D, production, and field testing of the various telecom technology, whether it is a wire technology or wireless technology.
Hi, I am Divya Dilbagi from Blue Arcus Technologies. I'm the marketing lead of the company. See, industry is witnessing a lot of interest from the manufacturing sector in India, and India is going to become the hotspot for the manufacturing units globally, right? Global companies are targeting India for that. So all these enterprises which are having sprawling spaces and they have this attendant environmental conditions, and also they are also looking for the incorporating new use cases for the enterprises, and they're trying to build up their space and covering the space with a good network. This is leading to the transition from Wi-Fi to private 5G, right? So that a lot of use cases can be covered in this. Now, Blue Arcus Technologies is coming up in India as a partner for all the industries, for all the enterprises to embark their journey into the private 5G world. We have come up with a starter kit which is portable, a plug and play network which includes Blue Arcus Core Network, which is a 3GPP compliant thing. And then also it can be used with any radio. The radio will also be, it can be a choice of your radio. We have a lot of radio vendors with us as well. A CPE device, and it will be coming with pre-programmed SIM cards and a license key. So this is a very compact setup, right? And a dynamic entry point for any enterprise to enter into the private 5G world, right? So I am inviting all the enterprises, all the organizations to come up, connect with us so that we can actually show you the capabilities of our solution. So we are there to help you start up your private 5G journey. Thank you.
It's indeed both a pleasure and a privilege to attend IMC 23 once again this year. My name is Diket Srivastava, Country Director for Expo Sales and Services in India. Expo has been telecom industry's test monitoring and analytic expert for more than 35 years now. And every year we try to come with a different theme. Because of 5G, this year we've tried to focus our attention more on fiber optic testing. Because as you all know, fiber optic testing is an innate and a prerequisite to have a robust 5G network. So this year, most of the test equipment that you see here are useful for fiber optic testing. And one of the products which I would like to highlight is the fiber management system. Expo is a global leader in fiber management systems, and we have one of the most scalable product in the industry. So for fiber management system, OTH 7000 is our platform, and these kind of systems are especially useful for performance monitoring of the fiber that is laid underground, as well as to proactively monitor the mean time to repair. Apart from fiber management system, we have two other new products that we have launched. So we've got the most scalable 400 gig tester product, which can test your Ethernet links right from 1 gig to 400 gig. Besides that, there's a new platform. So Expo has just got into RF and spectrum analytics as well. This is the 5G Pro Spectrum Analyzer product, which can not only do spectrum analysis, but also is very useful to do interference hunting, which is a big challenge in 5G networks.
So going forward, Fastech is going to be having a lot more focus in this coming year on its value skills that will be added to the products that we are providing to our customers. These skills and value will be coming from the amount of information that we provide to help customers get their testing strategies planned out and guide them. Fastech has been known in the market for this, and we intend to exemplify this more with all our products that we are giving in telecommunication test and measurement. We are also setting up a new lab for calibration of our EMF meters in FR2 range, as the need for FR2 testing is going to be more and more required for EMF.
So my name is Professor Manoj Chaudhary and I am the Vice Chancellor of Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, which is a central university under the Ministry of Railways. Our university's main focus is to work on the entire transportation and logistics sector, and this is India's only university to focus on transportation sector like railways, roadways, aviation, shipping, ports, waterways and so on. So in this, as you know, Prime Minister Gati Shakti National Master Plan was launched in October 2021 to improve India's infrastructure through integrated planning. And National Logistics Policy was launched in 2022 to cut down the logistics cost in India. Now, in order to educate our students for the future generation and also working professionals for this sector, Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya is currently running many programs, like the programs which are listed here, BTech programs. We are also mandated to train all the officers of Indian Railways, and also through working with the Ministry of Commerce and Industry and Capacity Building Commission, we will also train the state administrative service officers and the central administrative service officers for Gati Shakti plan and logistics policy.